Hey guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I feel like preparing something simple, something tasty, something easy and yummy, something with chicken. Like this. I want pepper also. More pepper, more pepper, more pepper, and spicy pepper. I will add peeled and diced tomatoes like this. I will also add peeled and sliced onion like this. I will add peeled and sliced garlic like this. A couple of cloves. Well, 3 cloves. Oh, I found it. Bay leaves. Fresh thyme. Branches of fresh thyme. When it's mixed with bay leaves, we call that bouquet garni. Gives a lot of taste. I will cook everything in olive oil. This one is bio. Not bio like what you understand it is. Bio like biological, like organic olive oil. We say bio in France. Biologique. Biologique. Huile végétale d'olive biologique. Ouais, c'est organique, ouais, c'est biologique. Hein? And what would be a dish with a sauce without white wine? And you know, as would say Paul Bocuse, our big chef, the biggest chef ever in France, French cuisine is all about wine, cream, butter. Yeah, we don't mess around with food, buddies. And we'll finish with crushed tomatoes for a good sauce. So you might ask yourself, what is this delicious dish Benoit is preparing right now? I'll tell you very soon, unless you already know the answer because you read the title to this video. In that case, there's no surprise. Well, I'll tell you anyway. This is chicken Basque. Basque chicken. Basque chicken. This is Basque chicken from the Pays Basque. Basque chicken! French word of the day. The French word of the day is Pays Basque for Basque country. Pays Basque. This is the southwest part of France or the northwest part of Spain. Pays Basque is famous for Luis Mariano, Maurice Ravel, the beret, you know, the French beret like this, and daricole. What you will need to make poulet basquaise is chicken thighs, 2 tomatoes that you will peel and dice, 1 cup of crushed tomatoes, 1 glass of white wine, 1 onion, and a couple of garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of spicy pepper flakes, 4 half bell peppers of different colors, olive oil, thyme, a couple of bay leaves, salt and pepper for seasoning. Brown chicken thighs with olive oil over medium-low heat on all sides in a pan. Once brown, set chicken aside. Peel and slice onion and garlic, add to the pan. Add a tablespoon of flaky pepper and mix. Wash and slice half bell peppers, add to the pan and mix. Peel and dice tomatoes, add to the pan and mix. Add the chicken, bay leaves, thyme, white wine, crushed tomatoes, and season to taste with salt and pepper. Mix, cover and cook for 40 minutes over low heat. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, so please give a thumb up and show your support. Also, you may want to comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. Come closer, here we go, like this. Much better, see? So let's do it again. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so please give a thumb up and show your support. Also, you may want to comment and let me know what you think about this recipe, so please do it below. Subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all the new videos that are coming. It helps us a lot. Thank you for your help. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt.